Welcome to the Philippine Tax Academy's ELMS guide for new users. To access your newly created ELMS account, please check your email and open the automated message sent by elms.d of taxacademy.gov.ph. A system-generated username and password have been provided. Now, use the link provided to open the ELMS login portal. First, copy the username provided. Then, copy the system-generated password provided and click the Login button. Once logged in, you will be prompted to change your password. In changing password, take note of the password requirements as highlighted. For the current password, you may copy again the system-generated password provided. Paste it into the current password field, then proceed to change your password. Please remember to follow the new password requirements to avoid errors. It is strongly recommended that you securely record your new password to ensure it is not forgotten. When finished, click the Save button to apply the changes. A confirmation message will appear indicating that your password has been successfully changed. To proceed, please carefully read the Philippine Tax Academy's Statement of Policy. By accepting, please check the box labeled, I agree to the privacy policy, and click the Next button. Congratulations, you have successfully logged into the ELMS, where you can view your enrolled courses. To view the course's activities, just simply click on the courses banner. All activities are listed down on the sidebar. You may also view the activities details and schedules. A green button will appear indicating that your activity is completed. Some activities will remain inaccessible until the facilitator opens them. An announcement will be made once they become available. Kindly be reminded that completion of all activities is required to generate your certificate of completion. On the other hand, attendance is required to receive a certificate of participation. Thank you for taking the time to go through our ELMS tutorial. We hope this guide has helped you better understand how to navigate the system and maximize its features. Should you have any questions or encounter any difficulties, please don't hesitate to reach out to our support team for assistance. We wish you a smooth and productive learning journey with the Philippine Tax Academy's ELMS.